Hey there, welcome to today's session on revitalizing mind techniques for a better mind and body. I know what you're thinking, another self care video. But hold on, we are not just here to meditate and hum in weird position, although I will admit that can be fun too. We are diving into how to reset your brain, energize your body, and maybe even stop you from scrolling social media at 2 a.m. So, let's get started, shall we? First technique, and my personal favorite, the mini mind reset. Picture this, your brain is like an internet browser with 57 tabs open, but unlike Chrome, your mind doesn't have unlimited RAM. So here's what you do. Take a 60-second breather. Find a quiet spot or just pretend your noisy office is peaceful. Close your eyes, deep breath, and imagine you're on a beach, not your actual last vacation, where you spend half your time avoiding sunburn. No. This is the perfect vacation, no emails, no drama, just you and the sound of the waves. Caution. Side effects may include sudden relaxation, reduction in overthinking, and a mysterious desire for coconut water. Boom, 60 seconds, your brain is like, what stress? Next up, movement therapy, also known as get off the couch. You have been there all day. This one is very easy. You don't have to sign up for a triathlon though. Hey, more power to you if that's your thing. All we are talking about here is a 5-minute dance break. Yep, you heard me right. Dance like no one's watching, even if they are. Studies have shown that even a quick burst of movements get those endorphins pumping. And bonus, you bum off that snack you probably didn't need in the first place. You think I'm kidding, but trust me, 5 minutes of bad dancing can solve a lot. Plus, it's way more fun than cardio. Okay, last technique. This one is the secret sauce. Gratitude rewind. Ever feel like your brain is just stuck in negative loop? I once convinced myself the world was ending because I forgot my umbrella. But that's what you do. At the end of each day, hit the mental rewind button and think of 3 things that didn't suck. They don't have to be life-changing. It could be as simple as I found a parking spot or my coffee didn't spill. Seriously, that last one's a win. The point is, by focusing on good, even if it's tiny, you're telling your brain, hey, things are actually pretty decent. And your brain's like, oh, okay, I'll chill then. So let's recap. Mini mind reset, 60 seconds to clear the clutter. Movement therapy, shake it out like no one's watching. Third, gratitude rewind, focus on what didn't suck. There you have it. 3 simple techniques to revitalize your mind and energize your body. Easy, right? Now, go on and try them out. Your brain and probably your friends will thank you. Until next time, keep that mind sharp, that body moving, and most importantly, keep laughing. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for such kind of videos in future, and also share it. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.